Talking avatars like these are very popular nowadays. And guess what? This AI avatar is now, as what you can see, is complete free. In this video, I will show you on how to create this anime AI talking avatar for completely free. Before we begin, could you please support our channel's growth by subscribing and liking our content? Firstly, let's create an anime avatar. In my example, I utilized GPT Plus, but you're free to use any AI image creator tool such as Bing Image Creator, Leonardo AI, or Midjourney. Feel free to use the provided prompt. You'll find it in the video description. Now, we already have our image. Let's first remove its mouth using an Adobe Photoshop. Once done, save the file as JPEG file format. Next, we need a moving mouth. To do this, let's download this from YouTube. Search a moving mouth. Click it and copy the link. Now to save net from, paste the link and download the video. The next step we need to do is to combine our image avatar and this moving mouth into a single video. For that, we need a video editor. The free video editor that I can recommend you is CapCut. You can download CapCut for free in their website. Now, let's import these pictures and video. Drag the image into our first timeline. Then drag the moving mouth in the upper timeline. Now we need to remove the green portion of the mouth. To do this, click the video that contains the mouth. In the right side, go to Video, click Cutout. Click Chroma key. Click the color picker icon. And click the green color of the video. After that, increase the strength until the green color is removed. Lastly, position the moving mouth in our avatar picture. As you can see, we just created a talking avatar that is completely free. This is the method for creating an anime talking avatar that you can use in your videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.